Hey y'all, Coach Inthefight here, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about heart pain and what to do about it. Now, we're coming out of the Testament of Sodom and looking at the 22nd, who said, I am called RAYWTh. He causes heart pain and is dispatched by the written word RAYWTh. And that's what we're talking about in this video, this written word and where it is to be written. Now, I'm not going to use artificial intelligence on this video. I'm just going to keep it simple, because all we really have to do is write this on a shirt or a amulet or something that is above or around our heart, on our heart. And that's the part that's actually missing from this. You found it in other translations, so you're going to have to work, take my word for it, to say that we are to actually have this on the front of our shirt or on something that is on our chest, not necessarily a tattoo, because that's of course forbidden, but anything on our chest, I believe, would help with this heart pain. So what you would do then, okay, these letters are the Ra'asha, Allah, Yada, Wawa, Thawa, and they make the Ra-A-Ya-Wa-Tha syllables. So you have Ra'asha, meaning head. Then you have Allah, meaning God. Then you have the Yada, which is a hand. And then there is the Wawa, which is a hook. And then there is the Thawa, which is a mark. So when you look at it in the ancient pictographs, it looks like this. And so this is what is to be written on something that is on the heart, whether it be a shirt, a charm, or whatever. Now, it should be real easy to see that in the pictographs, but to understand it, we read from left to right, understanding first there's the covenant, and then there is a connection to the covenant, and then there's an assistance to the connection to the covenant. Abba is assisting the connection to the covenant, and he is assisting in the connection to the covenant through leadership or through the head of the household. In other words, proper leadership has to be restored in order to relieve us of that chest pain. But anyway, if you got anything out of this video, hit the like button. If you didn't, hit the dislike button. But may our Father bless you and keep you, and may he shine his face upon you and be gracious unto you. May he be merciful unto you and give you peace.